Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So today is CPI inflation data for the US, which is a very big news event normally. Now, most of my analysis on all the dollar pairs is actually coming from the dollar index. I still think that the US dollar index is going to continue its higher time frame downtrend, which means that this US dollar CAD should end up continuing down. If this really is the end of the correction on the higher time frames, also this should end up continuing back down. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. We definitely got one up. We got corrective down. We got one, two, three, four, five up. I think that today's news is possibly setting itself up for a short the dollar or short the US dollar Canadian. The news can be a little bit unpredictable, but because of the US dollar analysis, this is my best guess of what's going to happen at the CPI inflation data today. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.